Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add informative circle in your Divi WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website. Simply add /wp-admin, then let me upload a plugin file, and the plugin is Divi SuperMe Pro. You can get this plugin from the Divi official website. Here you can see, and you will get multiple modules, almost 50 plus modules that you will be able to use while getting this plugin. Here you can see, and you can make your website design to the professional level by using all these modules. And make sure that you should upload the plugin file in zip format, otherwise you will get error during plugin installation. Okay, the plugin is installed. Let's activate, and then also activate the free version of this plugin. Now let's go back to the pages and enable Divi Field Builder as like Elementor Pro. Now let's view this page on the front side. Here you can see on the top of every page, when you have installed Divi WordPress theme, you will get this option on the every page. You can also enable Divi Field Builder from here. Now let's scroll down and add a new section. And let's click on plus icon to add a new regular section. Let's add 3-column row, and after that search for circle. Here you can see SuperMe circle info. And after that let's add some information. Here you can see title, for example web design. Then you can also use icon, so this is on the top. Let me select an icon, scroll down, and here you can see these are various icons. After that, for the content, here you can see title. Let me change web design service. After that, you can also add your own description text, and you can also include icon here. Then it also has image option. You can also add button, for example subscribe, and here you can link. Just I can copy and add a link here. Then scroll up. Here you can see we have added one item. Just you can duplicate, and you can add more and more items. Then you can simply change the text, for example marketing. Then go to design tab, and here you can see circle. Just you can decrease and increase the value for the round corners. Then for the border styles, and for the content, you can also add some gap, as well as you can add border. Then for the circle item, scroll down, and here you can see various typography options. Just you can increase and decrease content width. And you can also increase circle size. Then you can also customize the buttons. Just you can enable custom styling, and change colors for the button. Let's go back to the content and scroll down, and here you can see background option. You can also add a background color. Then go back, and for the circles, let's check for the colors. Circle border color, and here you can customize the background color for your icon. After that, final step is just click on three dots and save it.